Hi, this is Kelsey, your workshop leader for the Navigating Neopoet workshop. Your first task in this workshop is to update your profile. To do this, find your name in the top menu of Neopoet. Hover your mouse over your name without clicking. Select Edit My Profile. Here you're going to see options to add your region, your favorite poets, about me information, sex, and date of birth. What we're looking for in this workshop is for you to fill out 3 things in your About Me section. I've mentioned my name, my career, my favorite books, my hobbies, but you can make this whatever you'd like it to be as long as we see 3 things. Once you fill out that information, make sure you scroll down and click Save. And if you successfully edited your profile, you'll see the green message pop up that says the changes have been saved. Thanks. Bye.